This is a YouTube to show you how to do the homework, format, etc. And so I'm going to go ahead and start Python. Let's open a file editor up. That's a new file, and let's type the first made-up homework problem in here. So this isn't an actual problem, but it's going to represent what we want to do. So let's say the first problem, def main triple quote docstring. So this is simply going to print out hello world end triple quote docstring, and the function is just really a one-liner. It's going to print this. So that defines the function, and now I need to invoke the function by doing that. This needs to be unindented, so I'm going to go up to Format and dedent it, and then I'm going to save as. So I'm going to save as. Okay, so let's put this on the desktop, and I'm going to call it abiding by the convention in the syllabus. I'm going to use my name, you would use your name. Zelly chapter 1 exercise 1.py. Let's save it. And now I'm going to run it. Okay, I've got a typo here. Let's see, where would the typo be? Got one too many quotes. That's a problem. I'm going to resave this and rerun it. Okay, here's my output. So I want to take the output, and this is the sample output I'm asking you to put at the bottom of your program. And then what you would do then is you take this and you comment that out like this, and then you resave your program. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, so I'm going to resave it. Okay, now I'm going to open another editor window. Let me squeeze this down here so I have room to put the second homework problem in. Okay, so the second homework problem, I can do that from here. So here is my another file window open. This is the second homework problem, so I'm going to type that in here. Just like this. And so here we go. I'll call this main as well. I could say this one, again, these are just made up problems. My triple quote docstring, so let me basically just print out the sum of 2 and 5. Okay? And triple quote docstring. And so this is just a one-liner, print 2 plus 5 for this simple example. And just like I did above, I want to, having defined the function, I want to invoke it. And so I would do that by typing the function name, and then that needs to be up against the left side of the screen. And so now I'm going to do a save as. And it's basically going to be Clark Wellman Zelly chapter 1 under bar chapter 1 under bar 2. That would be exercise 2.py, like that. Okay, so now I want to run this and put the sample output for this one down below. So I'll go over here to the run and run it. Okay, there's my output. 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, and I'm going to paste that in for my sample output. Comment that out as I've instructed you to do. Okay, resave it. Alright, so now I want a third function which has all of the homework in it. So basically I'm just going to cut and paste this and put it in the third file. Okay, so new file, and this is going to be the all-in-one. Okay. Alright, so basically I'm just going to go over here and copy all of this and then put it in there. And I'm going to go to the second one. I'm going to copy all of that and put that in there. It's nice for me if you put some kind of a separator between the two, like this. And then up here before def main, you could type in Zelly chapter 1 underbar 1, and then down here type in Zelly chapter 1 underbar 2. So here I have basically all of your code, including sample output, and now that gets saved as my name, homework 1, if that's what it is, all in one. You can just call that a .py file, even though it wouldn't run, and save that. And so what you would do is you would send me, in this example, all three of these files. The first one with the code at the top, an invocation of the function that you wrote, and the output pasted below, which you've pasted from the shell back into the file, the homework file, and commented out. And similarly for the second homework problem in this example. So that's what I want.